This is my 1969 Dodge Dart that's painted in a marina blue. The motor is a 360 stroke to a 408, and it was built by Harrington's Machine Shop in Taylorsville, North Carolina. It was dynoed there at 615 horsepower, and it also has Edelbrock Aluminum Heads, and it's topped off with Nitrous Express with 150 horsepower jets. The exhaust has electric cutouts coupled to a 727 trans with reverse valve body. The car does have line lock and a 10-point roll cage with subframe connectors. The rear end was set back 3 inches, and the car has subframe connectors and the rear subframe tied together into the cage. The wheel arches are stock, and the narrowed 8 3/4 rear end is mini tub to accept big drag radios. The leaf springs are not super stocked and are on Caltrax. The reason why I added some wheelbase was to add a little straight line stability at speed. What I like about this 69 Dart is you don't see a whole lot of them at car shows and cruises. You see a lot of Novas, 57 Chevys, Corvettes, Camaros. I'm a Chevy guy, but I wanted to have a Mopar and something different, and I'm glad I did, because it's a fun car to drive. My name is Ben, and this is my 1969 badass Dodge Dart.